Okay. Wow, you got a lot of goop on you. Dang it, where's my tissue? Oh, there you are. Beautiful. Hi, baby. She's trying to separate the placenta. There's the placenta that she's going to now eat. Yuck. Ugh. And chew off. God, I wish there was more light. Good girl, Daisy. Good girl. Okay, lick his face. There's his little face. We have one black puppy with white feet. Got a lot of gray on him. He might not be black. Good job, Daze. Good job. He's got a lot of mucus. I'm going to have to shut off the camera to aspirate him. Or not aspirate him, but try to get some stuff out of his mouth. So, that was a birth. I missed it coming out because I knew he was coming. Ah, sorry. Okay. And I wish I had more light in here, so you could have seen more, but okay, gotta go.